Okay, I think we're live. Boy, what a what a crazy and exciting day out there. Hope everybody is having a good time and a crazy time because as I keep kind of putting it, the inmates seem to be running the asylum right now. I think a lot of us know what's going on with the Reddit trades and the fact that everyone is the Reddit traders and little stay-at-home traders like us are ganging up on the big guys, and that has been the news and the story as of recently and right now, and it's starting to get a lot of attention. So we're going to be talking about that because that is the thing to talk about, and all this is happening while the market is actually starting to top and go down. So lots of stuff to talk about, and we'll just jump in. So anyway, anybody who wants to know about me, profitpilot.com, come over here and check out services and newsletter and all that kind of stuff. But wow, talk about an exciting day of what is going on here. Absolutely just bonkers. Now I've been talking about the S&P and it's getting a little extended, getting tired, a lot of this kind of stuff. And I can show you a couple ways that I'm seeing this. And right here, what you'll see is the S&P has been moving up like that. The Moxie indicator has been moving down. So we have negative divergence like this. And then you can see even more recently, you see that price is going up here on the hourly chart. The Moxie indicator has been going down like that. So that's not really good. And then you can see here on the 15 that price here was over the 15-minute 50, but the Moxie indicator was below zero. That's an inverse trampoline move. That one worked. That's where we got, that actually was a different situation. And then here, kind of the same thing. We had price over the 15-minute 50, and we had the Moxie indicator below zero, and that was an inverse trampoline move again. So I got my subscribers out of a lot of names yesterday because, you know what, on Monday we had that crazy move with the liquidation break. Everything went down, and then it went back up, and it looked pretty strong. There were a lot of good things. A lot of things came back. A lot of stuff was looking all right. So we actually bought back into some stuff. And then kind of as the day went on, and then yesterday I was like, nope, this doesn't look good. We need to start pulling off on some of these things and getting out of it. And we did a very good job pocketing a lot of our change there. So we did great on that one. And then now you can see today the bottom is starting to fall out. The UVXY, we've been seeing this. It has been basing for quite some time. I've been talking about this for quite some time, and I've been guiding my subscribers into this, but you can see like that was going like that, and then just a whole lot of volume coming into here. So I've been talking about this quite a bit, and it's up. And so yeah, that one, we nailed that. And then I'll show you the IWM. This one was also fairly clear about what was going on. Kind of just zoom out a little bit here. And you can see also same, well, let me kind of move that down right there so you can see it. So you could see that price was moving up. Moxie indicator was kind of moving down. It's kind of like that chunk, that kind of situation. And then if we look at the hourly chart, what was really calling my attention was this versus this. And yeah, that was telling me, yep, that's not good. You know, price kept kind of trying to move up, move up, move up, but the Moxie indicator was rolling over. And so I was guiding my subscribers yesterday about this, saying, hey, you know, we need to be real careful about this. And then also the Moxie indicator here on the 15 was just kind of dead, you know, underneath the zero, really not doing much. So, you know, if you guys are having troubles trading out there or anything else like that, and you need either guidance or you need a tool and something that works really well, you know, of course I'm going to be tooting my own horn on this, but, you know, I think the proof is in the pudding and what I'm showing you guys, and then how well my subscribers are doing and the fact that they love it. So, hi guys, I see you all in the comments and everything, so it's good to see you there. Other than that, yeah, let's kind of dig into some of these crazy names. Ethan, good to see you. And then Tom, let's CRSR. This is one of the other high short interest names. And we're in this, and part of what we got into was that there was massive volume about 3 or 4 days ago. And then today, this thing just lit on fire out of nowhere, even though the market's down. So we're getting some pretty crazy moves like this that is very, very exciting, very exciting. And then, you know, GameStop, talking about that insanity. I mean, what do you do with this? They are out for blood on this one. The you know, all the little traders, the Reddit people, the Robinhood, all of us are out there trying to kind of run over the big institutions that, I don't know, there's just a whole huge backstory about that. So this thing has been absolutely on fire. They are definitely just, you know, laser focused on some of this. Now, some of the other names that are getting this, AMC. Look at AMC and what's going on here. There was big volume into this, another kind of similar story, high short interest, and they're just going after it and attacking it. And you can see, you know, it shot up, kind of pulled back. It's trying to stabilize. And for now, it looks to me like it's trying to just go sideways into support. I kind of lose any of my metrics here as to what to do because of things like this. Like it's hard to really just say, but you know, if you guys are trying to get into something like this, you're playing with fire. It could be great. It might not be. The moves are wild, so just be very careful about that and what you can, you know, if you're going to be tackling this kind of stuff. Some of the other names. This is actually one of ours. Wow, I haven't seen this one this morning yet, but I actually told my subscribers about this one the other day. Geez, what is this thing up? 100%. This is insane. Now, Sam and I, he's another trader of ours over at Simpler, and we were talking about this, and yeah, this is craziness. And it's this kind of craziness that you tend to see before market top. It's like when all the junk off the bottom starts to, you know, go really, really crazy. Yeah, this is Fossil. Let me see if I can actually, I'll make the font a little bit bigger. And give me just 2 seconds on that. But yeah, Fossil is doing it. And then the other thing that I'm looking at, we even have Goose. Goose has been moving up. It seems that that one is pretty much ready to go. I mean, it's hanging out here looking very, very energetic. And yeah, just very energetic, kind of a high short interest. So right now, basically anything with a high short interest is just getting wrecked. We have another one, Fubo. Fubo is getting attacked as well. You can see that thing is moving up and just cranking. Look at that thing, just cranking. Another one that we were in is GoGo. Now, I got to say, I do like GoGo. If we kind of, I was just making a comment to my subscribers here, GoGo also has a high short interest. It's got like 44% high short, short interest. So I don't see why this thing shouldn't keep going. It had a nice spurt this morning. It had a big spurt overnight in the after hours. And you can see it's come back. And actually, I like this kind of stuff when they kind of come back to support and they start to behave well. And what you can see is right here, it's coming back down to the 5-minute 50. It's trying to do a double bottom. You know, I'm actually seeing here on the 2-minute, we got a double bottom and positive divergence on the 2-minute Moxie indicator. So we'll see if that works. And it really kind of looks like it's just kind of sitting here in some sort of flag situation. So, you know, I'm not making any recommendations out here. These are my opinions and, you know, I'm just telling you guys what I'm seeing. But as far as GoGo goes, that looks like that is very constructive and getting ready, just kind of building that base, getting ready to start moving up. So if you guys are interested, you know, there's another one that you can start looking at in a significant way. But there's a lot of volume coming into this thing. You know, if you guys look here, like look at that 1 day of volume right there. So shorts are on the run is basically the name of the game right now. So if you can go find something where the shorts are running, then geez. CWT, the difference between GoGo and Fubo, I don't know. They're just all moving, you know? That's all I can tell you is they look like they are squeezing the bejesus out of these things. Yeah, so Fubo flying, let's see, Dash. Let's see, yeah, kind of the same thing. Let's look down lower on the time frame. This looks very similar to GoGo. You know, this is what I'm talking about. Some wild moves out there, but it was really, really overbought up at the open. It needed to come back down to support. It came back down to just kind of a previous price area. And I don't know, we'll have to see. Does this level hold? Does that double bottom hold? Does that 5-minute 50 hold? You know, like what are we seeing here? Overall, this was another one that I put out to my subscribers and I said, it looks okay because this was a trampoline move. That is when price is below the 50, but the Moxie indicator is above 0. That's still a high pressure, high buoyancy situation. So, you know, if you guys, you know, I mentioned this one in my live trading and, I'll just kind of say, if you guys are, wondering about where you can find me and all this kind of stuff and get on the list and talk about this, it's over here at profitpilot.com/services. And I actually just had a webinar that I did talking about all this, and that I think actually 2021 is going to be a bumper year. I really think it's going to be a pretty strong year, and we're doing well. Because how about another one? There's no end to the ones that are doing well. Look at this, space. We have been in space since down here at $24, basically. So we got in on space at $24, and then we added right here after that liquidation break, because I kept telling my subscribers what I was looking for, and I telegraphed it completely. I said, this is what I'm looking for. This is what I want to see in order to add more. We got it on that liquidation break, which was crazy. And then price stayed up, and we hopped right back in, and to the moon. Yeah, literally to the moon. So yeah, you're welcome, guys. Thomas, you're welcome. We're having a good time out there. If anybody wants to come join the party, we're doing well. How about NOK? That's another one that I keep hearing. Guys, this is insane. I just don't even know what to say about this. Like, look at these things. Look at this. Unbelievable. The inmates are running the asylum, and anybody who has a short position better get, GTFO. I can't believe it. We are watching history, guys. This is going to be one for the record books, and they are going to be writing about this forever. Forever. This is incredible. BB, yeah, BlackBerry. Basically, they're taking all the names that everyone thought was dead, and then they're just killing it, because all these institutions were short these names, thinking that, oh, they're dead money and they can poo-poo it and all this kind of stuff. And then Reddit and YOLO traders and Robinhood are like, nope, we're gonna go after you. And Debbie, thanks for reminding me. Jeez. Express. This was another one that I actually called. I told all my subscribers about this one on Thursday of last week, and people started getting in on it, and it started to pop. Look at this thing. 970%. I don't even know what to do with this, guys. I don't even know what to do. Unbelievable. So, is GoGo going to be next? Let's get GoGo going, because that one should be great. I'm just waiting for, seriously. When you look at what's going on, this is just bonkers. GoGo sure looks ready. I don't know what we, just laughing. RKT. This is another one that was getting tackled. Look at this thing. They pop up, they flag sideways, and then they go. Insane. Just freaking insane. Sure, Rocket. Why doesn't it? Why not? Why doesn't it have to? Sure. And then RXT. This is another one. There's another one popping up. I don't know how much money is around to do all this. I don't know how much money there is to do all this, but maybe it just takes a little bit to push these institutions out, and then the institutions, it's a chain reaction basically, because anytime we buy, if we buy options, they have to buy the stock in order to cover for those options that they sold in order to create a market. And then since they're short, if we're buying, they have to get out, they have to buy longs in order to get out of their shorts. So it is such a chain reaction, and it's catching them flat-footed. Let's see, RXT, and then how about this one, guys? Oh wait, which one's Tootsie Roll? Does anybody gotta remember what is Tootsie Roll? Where is that? TR, that's what it was. TR, Tootsie Roll. Yeah, Ethan, I know. You probably can't even get into some of these. They are moving so fast, and the brokers are probably like, no, you're not it. You can't get... The broker's like, not going to happen. So Tootsie Roll, I mean, look at this. Look at these things. Tootsie Roll, what is this thing? I'm just guessing, 46%. It was up 87%. Insane. Is Hershey doing it too? Nah, Hershey's not doing it. Austin, bad one. Lame. There's nothing to do about Hershey. Oh, man. You guys are just watching history right now. This is absolutely unbelievable. unbelievable. So, yeah, we're having a just a crazy, crazy time. Let's check back on Fubo. Yeah, Fubo just going nuts. I don't know what to tell you guys. You got to be real careful out here. Um, this is unprecedented. This is areas that we've never seen before, and it's really hard to give any kind of guidance. It just, as long as the stock goes up, great. But I gotta say, it feels like at some point the music's got to stop. I don't know when or how or whatever, but just be careful out there. Let's see what we're just like. You don't even know what to say about all this stuff. T-Doc was another one that had a bit of a short squeeze, started moving up like that. So it's kind of doing its thing. Oh, what other names? I mean, we talk about space. I'm trying to look at my list here. Yeah, Goose, Express. I saw another one actually. DKNG started to kind of move. DraftKings. I don't know if this. I don't think it has a high short interest, but it's looking pretty good too. In fact, this looks like a great trade for me. It just bounced off of the daily 50. The Moxie indicator's firing. We just bounced off of this. Actually, if you look really closely, we just bounced off, like did a little trampoline move right there. Price below the 50, but the Moxie indicator above zero. That's a trampoline move. So that's my trade right there. So that thing's looking pretty good. But yeah, we did cover Fubo. Overstock. Overstock is another one that we were trading. One of my traders got 700+% on Overstock based on what I was doing, what I was talking about, right in through here. So that one was looking pretty good. Yeah, I was talking about that for quite some time, and that thing finally popped. Whew, yeah, this stuff is crazy. Rig, let's see what's going on with Rig. Okay. I don't even know. Like the market as a whole, like all the money in the market, it must just be going to this stuff, because the market doesn't look good. But then we're getting these insane, crazy moves. Let's see. CPE. Mo was telling me that thing was kind of like, yeah, look at this. CPE kind of moving a little bit. This one actually looks like it's bouncing off the daily 50, so that's cool. You can see here's your level on the 15. The Moxie indicator was starting to turn up, and it's starting to move. I don't know. INFN. Let's see what's up with that. That one looks good. I don't know what to tell you guys. Like the market does not look good, but then these things. INFN, and then I even saw INO starting to move. Like, yeah, Jamie Dahl. Yeah, we did CRSR. We're in that one. Like we're in that. So CRSR. Yeah, we're in that one. I don't even know what to tell you guys. This is so freaking crazy. Fizz, how about that was another one? Like Fizz, look at that thing. That's going crazy. And Kodak. Kodak was another one. KODK. Looks like a baby one. Looks like a baby squeeze. But that thing's going. Yeah, look at that. You guys are witnessing history. You are absolutely witnessing history. This is just bonkers. Yeah, KOSS. I heard about that one. Oh man. Oh man. Like, what do you do with this? 300%. 300%. Okay, I'm speechless. I am speechless, and I'm so glad we're getting some of these. We're in some of these, so we're having a good time. Yeah, I'm just at a loss of what to say. Yeah, you sell it when it gets up there. Totally, I know. UVXY though, I got to tell you, look at this UVXY. For all of this craziness, you got to look at what's happening with UVXY. Something's going on. Okay, the market is not happy. The market itself is not being supported. We got the UVXY is starting to pop up. We've got for like what 2 weeks now. We've got increased volume coming into the UVXY, and the UVXY would not go down. All right. So you need to look at this and say, something's happening, and at some point the music's got to stop, and I don't know, maybe all the money is coming from other names and going into these high short interest names and just jacking them like crazy. I don't know. So you guys need to be careful out there. All right. I've showed you the IWM and the indexes like this. Yeah, Doug, been in my room for 4 days. Unbelievable. I know. Thank you. The IWM is down. So BYND was another one. Look at that thing. It's going. Just, I don't know what to tell you. SDC was another one. Look at that. So hang on to your hats. Hang on to your hats. That's all I can tell you. But we're having an absolute party in the Moxie room. We're doing pretty well. We've got some really good savvy traders out there. Everyone is talking, chatting, helping each other, and it's a blast. So be careful out there. Let's see what we can do, and just hang on to your hats. But I'll just mention, like, if anybody's looking for who I am and what I do, I said 2021 is going to be a bumper year, and I kind of showed the areas that I thought things were going to do it, and here you go. Come over here, check it out at simplertrading.com/identify-replay. We'll get that posted in the channel as well. And then just come over here to profitpilot.com. Let me also just kind of wrap this up and say that at some point, when these things stop, as far as the crazy names, but as far as the market goes, as far as the index goes, I do see that they're topping out. I do see that they need to pull back. So be prepared for that. And when they pull back, we'll get ready for the next run, because I don't think this is over. Part of what I wrote was what will carry the market into the future. So if you guys want to read this, I've got kind of an idea of what I think I still think we're very much in a bull market. We just need a pullback. We need a refresh. The market needs to come back down. So make sure you have your powder dry. Make sure you have money to go to work from all these crazy names. And when the market as a whole comes down, we can get back in and we'll do it all over again. So yeah, guys, wow. This is so thrilling. This is just absolutely thrilling. As I said, just speechless for what's going on here. And I kind of want to just get back to the action. I want to go see if I can go make some more money. Let's go chat in the Moxie room. I'll see you over there. And we're busy. We're busy. AMC, I saw just look at this. AMC just took a dip. How much you want to bet? No recommendations here. I'm not telling you anything, but how much you want to bet? Buyable dip. How much you want to bet? Look at that thing. I bet that thing does not stay down for very long. Yeah, so just be careful. Really, really risky out there. It's a very challenging time. You got to be careful. And other than that, I'll see you back in the Moxie room. All right, guys. Take care.